I'm Ray. Well, I'm down the allotment today and I've brought down some seeds, and today we're going to have a look at what we can sow in September. So what we can sow in September, if you can say that, then fair enough. So we've got some lettuces, we can still do lettuce, we've got winter imperial, salad bowl green mix, Mizuma, Laura Rossa, all year round, and wild rocket, Arctic king, and then we've also got corn salad, also known as lamb's lettuce. And we can do sorrel, this is red rind, adds flavour to salads and soups, and also endive, and this is pan celery, adds biting flavour to salads. We can do peas, like meteor peas, overwintering peas, and broad beans, September, October, good time to start your broad beans. We've got an autumn cabbage, we've got broccoli, this is Rab 60 days, quick growing, shoots like broccoli. And then we've got onions, so we've got evergreen bunching, a spring onion, and also white Lisbon. And also a good time for your Japanese onions, that's a Senshu yellow. And also you can buy your onion sets September, October, put them in the ground, they can sit in the ground over winter and then be ready in the spring. We've got cauliflower all year round, and snowball. And then we've got the good old radish. So we've got sparkler 3, cherry bell, white icicle, and also choy sum. This is also known as flowering pak choy. And then we've got our herbs, basil, coriander, parsley, dill, and chervil. So there's still some things we can sow in the allotment garden, but once the frosts appear we do need to take protection of some of these and just keep them a cover, keep them out of the cold. And also, if you haven't got your Christmas potatoes in, you might just be able to sneak a few in towards the end of August, beginning of September, and that would be great. Have some nice Christmas potatoes. So let me know in the comments, what are you sowing? You sowing any of these? You growing anything? Let me know in the comments, that'd be really great. And please subscribe and like the video if you like the content. And I'm going to go now and plant some of these in the allotment plot. So a quick update of the allotment. It's looking pretty good now. We've got stuff sown for September. Need to sort out the back. Covered this path here. We've got lettuces, onions, lettuce, spring onions. There we go, and the pond.